Hey, it's John here with Flex Fitness Mount Maunganui, and today is the first day that I'm going to be showing you how to use some of our new equipment that we're getting in here at the Mount Flex Gym as we're getting ready for our remodel coming up in a few weeks. So, first thing, look at this. We have got two new Plyo Boxes. Accelerate Plyo Boxes. You can go 50 centimeters high, and we've got two, all right? So, first exercise, simple plyometrics working through here, coming up, solid, coming down, push through there with that. So that's first one, 50 centimeters. Now we're just gonna show you 60 centimeters and 70 centimeters. Let's see how we go. All right, so going to 60 centimeters is quite simple. Just take it, flip it up on its side. Now we're 60 centimeters. Doesn't matter whether it's upside down or right side up. 60 centimeters, let's see how we go. Ready, boom. Woo! Feels good. Now let's see how we go with 70 centimeters. A little bit higher, nice and solid. Oh, let's see how we go. Are we ready? Okay. Good. Woo! All right, that's how it's done. Enjoy it. I'm going to show you a couple new videos as well. See you later.